guys, welcome back to World Mechanics. Thank you guys for watching and subscribing to the channel. In today's video guys, if you have a Jeep Cherokee, Jeep Compass or Jeep Renegade with a 2.4 multi-air engine guys, we'll show you how to remove and replace your intake temperature sensor and where the intake temperature sensor is located. If that sensor is bad guys, you'll get an engine light on, you'll get a code. We'll have the code in the description of the video below. This same engine guys, it's been used in multiple Dodge, Chrysler, Jeep and Fiat vehicles guys, very popular engine. So stay with us, that's what we'll be doing. In the meantime guys, you do not have to remove your engine out of the car. We got it out because we'll be taking the whole engine apart guys. We will show you how to fix almost anything on that engine. So more than 100 videos probably we'll have on the engine, and every car we get at the show guys, we'll be making at least 200 videos. Our mission guys is to save you as much money as we can, so please subscribe and like the video guys. Let's start on it now. So that sensor, let me show you where it's located. The engine, when it's in the vehicle guys, okay, you'll face the engine that way. That's what it looks like. So you will need to come to the driver's side of the engine, and right here you might need to guys, okay, remove that cover, because with the cover it might be a little bit harder to get it when the engine is in the vehicle. So you just grab it and pull it up, straight up. Okay, you have 4 rubber bushings. 1, 2, okay, 3, 4 rubber bushings that attach right here to the engine guys. 1, 2, 3, 4 right here. And this is your intake guys, intake pipe that comes from the air filter box. On that intake pipe right before the throttle body there is a sensor, okay, and that sensor guys is known as the intake temperature sensor. So how you guys remove that thing? First you need to remove the wire. You need to go ahead and press here and disconnect it, okay, like that, pretty simple. Now what do you do next guys? You can see there is one tooth on the bottom, okay, that's part of the sensor, and that tooth is part of the intake. So you need to like bend it just a little bit, but not much, because otherwise you can break it and you don't want that thing to fall inside. Just a little bit, and you're going to turn counterclockwise about 90 degrees or a little bit less, and gently guys pull it out. There is a rubber seal that gets stuck here, okay, but that's how you guys remove it. You can see, pretty simple. We'll get the new one, put it together now. If you need to buy one guys, we'll have the link in the description of the video below. Check it out. Our mission guys is to save as much money as we can, so we'll share the link. You can get it easy guys, fast shipping as well. So let's go ahead and put it together now. So you get the new sensor, you get it in guys, okay, you may apply just a little bit of oil on the O-ring so it can slide easy. Push it in. Now turn it clockwise until it gets locked, okay, like that. And now don't forget to install your wire. And this is it guys, you're ready to go. Thank you for watching, please subscribe to the channel for more videos, and see you guys next time.